Hey guys, Mr. Harris here. We're going to start Unit 8, which is all going to be about rational functions. If you remember from our flowchart all the way back in Unit 1, we had a little flowchart that kind of looked like all real numbers. It's either rational or irrational. If it's a rational number, we have to see if it's an integer or not. So that kind of thing. We're going to be focusing right here on this Q, rational, uh, which is all fractions and decimals. So today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to focus on simplifying, multiplying, and dividing rational expressions. So to start off, we're just going to simplify. And if we have a fraction like this, I have 15 over 65. I want to see what two numbers go into both of them. 5. So if I divide both by 5, I get 3 over 13. That makes sense, right? Now, if I have something like this, where it's a little more complicated, I have 4 times x plus 3 over x minus 5 times x plus 3. And I just want to see what like terms can cancel out. And remember, when canceling stuff, it's got to be on the top and bottom. So x plus 3 cancels out, and I'm left with 4 over x minus 5. And that's as much as we can possibly do. Now right here for number 1, I have a couple things I have to do. The first is I gotta factor the top and the bottom as much as I can. So let's take a look at this. I have x squared minus 2x minus 15 on the top here. And then I want to look for two numbers that multiply to negative 15 but add up to negative 2. So I can say that that is x minus 5 and x plus 3 over, I have x squared minus 9 here, which is going to be x plus 3, x minus 3. And then I look for things that can cancel. I have x plus 3 on top and the bottom. So I'm left with x minus 5 over x minus 3. And that is it for simplifying things.